What's up, guys? I'm Noah.
And I'm Ben, and you're watching Westward Explorers.
In this series, we take a 2020 TRD off-road and a 2023 Colorado Z71 upstate New York all the way to Moab, Utah.
So follow along and find out which is going to be the better overlanding vehicle and who's more equipped for this trip.
Let's get into it. How we doing, guys? We're just approaching the 14-hour mark of our drive today. We've driven 733 miles so far, 92 more to go. But yeah, we left at 5 o'clock this morning, made a few stops, hit some traffic. So the drive was supposed to be 13 hours, but it's going to end up being more like 15. But yeah, all in all, not too bad. Got to do it again tomorrow. It's going to be slightly longer tomorrow, but yeah, we'll be in Montrose, Colorado at the start of the Rimrocker Trail tomorrow night.
So we started our trip here. We've made it to Iowa, 14.5-hour drive or so. We made it to the Diamond Lake Campground here in Iowa. This is the Colorado in its final form. It is all done. Pretty stoked on how it came out. You'll see a couple more videos of the last few bits of the build process coming up here soon.
Over there is the Tacoma, pretty much final form as well. Got some chicken noodle soup I'm about to cook up, some Mountain House meals. But yeah, we'll go over the trucks in more detail, but for now, we're gonna relax because we just drove 15 hours and we're exhausted. So,
relax.
Cheers. Whoa, dude, my tab pushed it.
Come on.
All right. All right.
Yeah.
That's.
See you in the next clip.
Let's go with the adventure. Electrical problems with our tent, so we're trying to fix them.
Just saying, my tent where I wear the electricity works. Here are some beams. Oh. Took any skin off from that either.
We just try it like this.
Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa! You see what's going on here, dude?
Well, right. That's what because the one thing I hate about the heat is just.
All right, guys. Fast forward. Darkness has fallen. We were messing around with this for a while to get power up to my tent, which you can't really see. But get power up to my tent. Couldn't get it to work. We found another solution. And this guy, chicken noodle soup. That's just water that we're gonna make some, just you know, the classics. Ben and Danny are over there. They're making some steaks. Let's go check it out. Yes, I would like a beer. Thank you. All right, what do we got going over here, Ben?
Got some cube steaks cooking up. Cube steaks cooking. We got the propane mounted up. Got some lettuce, some cilantro, jalapenos, black beans, our seasoning mix. Water's ready to go.
We're just doing freeze-dried meals and chicken noodle soup. Just can't go wrong with beer.
And beer.
Can't go wrong with that, but you guys are definitely making a real meal here.
A little bit. Oh, wait. I think it's in here. I found the portable battery that was missing.
Oh.
I was in a little bit of a panic mode, but I forgot this. See, the nice thing about buying the real cheap tent that isn't quite as nice as Noah's, I have a pass-through. This is supposed to not be a pass-through, but I can run the cable from my Blue Eddy up into here, which powers my light and my USBs in the tent. So I can just take my USB and look at this. I have access to my tent. Nice. So do the bugs.
So do the spiders.
And the spiders. And the scorpions. And the rattlesnakes.
Yeah, the rattlesnake. All right, so yeah, we're gonna eat tonight and we'll see you guys in the morning.
So if you look closely over there, Noah's getting yelled at because he thought he could get away with not paying. Danny and I paid. Noah pulled up to our site and he got caught. Now he's paying. But got some jalapenos, some black beans, 2 cube steaks, lettuce, cilantro, all going in a wrap. Gonna be mean. Gonna be mean. All right, so here's what we got. Cube steaks, cilantro, Got some black beans, lettuce, hot sauce in there, and a wrap. Decent?
Mm-hmm.
What do we got?
We got some lasagna cooking up.
Mountain House lasagna.
Yeah, check out this new spoon I got.
Titanium.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Titanium. Extra long, so you can reach in there.
Nice. What'd that cost? Half your truck payment?
Yeah, it was like, it was way too much. Just woke up. It's about 7 a.m. Nice, beautiful view. We're in Iowa.
Iowa.
Having some breakfast. Some mountain berry granola, strawberry granola. Got the coffee with the French press. But yeah, nice morning. Feeling a little sticky, but
Very sticky.
yeah, we're gonna shower because there's a shower at this campground, and then we're gonna hit the road, drive 14 hours to Colorado. 1,000 miles exactly is our drive today. Just hitting the road now. Ben's getting his maps all situated, but yeah, we just showered up, feeling clean, got all the sticky off, and yeah, we'll keep you updated throughout the day. But yeah, long drive ahead of us. Got the radios working too. If any of you ever wondered how they transport windmill blades, there it is. Thing's probably 80 feet long. Just driving through Iowa, we got like 900 miles left today. All cornfields and windmills, and it's very windy out here. We're getting blown all over the road. 9.9 miles to the gallon. We're driving for about an hour, left with a full tank. I'm on a quarter tank now, so I'm gonna have to get gas soon again, but yeah. We're getting gas. Got some cool dirt bikes. Only 289 or what is it? 284 here. Not bad. Probably gonna have to do this at least 4 or 5 more times today. All right, guys, quick update. We're about halfway done with our drive for today. We've done about 500 miles, got about 500 more, and just filled up gas for the 3rd time today. So that puts us at, that was 7 or 8 fills so far on the journey. But yeah, it's really hot out here. 105 degrees. We're in Nebraska somewhere.
3/4 of the way through it.
Yeah, but there's a cool abandoned gas station over there.
Walk over there, check that out, split up the drive, stretch the legs.
Yeah.
I'm getting like 18. I was getting like 11.
Yeah.
So
I was down to 7 miles a gallon for a few hours because it was super windy. But back up to around 11 and a half. Wish we could have gotten the trucks under here, but there's like those spiky things we couldn't. Oh! Oh shit! Oh no, dude. Anything cool?
Not really.
Huh. Got an exercise machine in there.
Egg of some sort.
An egg?
Yeah.
Where? Oh. A little robin egg? Yeah, it's a nice little change of scenery.
There's just like nothing around, just a bunch of rolling green hills. What's going on there? You see how there's 3 engines pulling it?
We're in Colorado now. About 400 to have a little change of scenery. We've been in the cornfields for the past 20 hours, so nice little change of pace. So we're in Denver now, at the mountains right there. A lot of bugs on the window. We got mountains. We're gonna head to Walmart and grab some supplies. Bill is driving. Yeah, we're just gonna grab some supplies real quick and then continue on the journey. We're still in Denver. We just went to Walmart and stocked up on some food for the next couple of days. Filled the cooler with ice. It's currently 8 p.m. and we have a 5-hour drive to our site for the night. Expected to get there around 1 a.m. So we'll keep you updated. There's bugs all over the windshield, and one of my wiper blades came loose. It's still there, but I don't want to wipe the windshield right now because then I'll lose it and I won't have a wiper blade for a while. Alrighty guys, it's 1:30 in the morning. We finally made it to the Rimrocker Trail.
Alright, so we made it to the Rimrocker here. We aired down to what we think is a good temperature. Shit. Alright, so we made it to the Rimrocker here. We aired down to what we think is the right PSI. It's late. Our pressure gauges are giving us weird numbers, but this should be pretty mellow for just the distance we're doing today. We'll get the proper PSI tomorrow. This looks like a dirt road, and it is 1 in the morning. We're gonna find the first decent spot to pull over and call it a night.
Yes. Started going down the trail. Like I said before, it's like 1:30. We're just trying to find the first decent spot away from the road that we can pull over and set up camp for the night. Yeah, I'm exhausted. It's a 17-hour day in the car, over 1,000 miles. Yeah. Yeah, we'll keep you updated. I'm gonna go to bed soon, though. I'll see you in the morning. Alright, guys. Ben, you want to say a few words?
Yeah, so we spent our first night at the Iron Springs campground here, probably like 20 miles down the Rimrocker Trail. It's been a pretty mellow trail so far, just a gravel road.
Pretty much just a gravel road so far.
And we're gonna have a gravel road until we get to Nunclaw, or Nuclaw, whatever that's called there. And then probably drop down another 5-8 PSI or so. We're at like 30 right now, and then that's when it should get bad. So we'll see how long of a drive this is gonna be. But trucks are ready to go and everything's working well. Yeah, we got in here super late last night and it was pitch black, but now that it's actually light out, it's very pretty. Like, we got pine trees everywhere. The ladies are over there. But yeah, we're gonna hit the road. And we're on the road. We're actually not on the road, we're turning around. This looks so much different in the daytime.
Yeah. It looks so scary at night.
We are on the trail. So yeah, pretty much just a gravel road right now. Pretty.
Stop here.
They're babies.
So this trail is 160 miles long, and it's taking us from Montrose, Colorado into Moab, Utah. We're not going to do the whole thing today, though we could. It would probably be like an 11, 12-hour drive, but there's a nice spot, roughly 120, 130 miles down the trail, right by a lake, and that's probably where we'll set up camp for tonight. It's super fun so far. We just kind of got to this more trail-like section. definitely a few minor obstacles so far, but nothing crazy. I'm still in rear wheel drive, but yeah, we'll keep you guys updated.
How you feeling?
Pretty good. I keep farting though. It stinks. I haven't pooped yet. It's been 3 days. I think there's a lot of poop in me, but it hasn't come out yet, and I just keep farting. So we're gonna stop here real quick and air down to probably 22-ish. Ride's a little harsh. We're at around 30 right now, so we're gonna drop to 22, 25, somewhere around there.
23 flat.
3 flat?
3 flat.
Oh, cactus! Where? Dude, that's what you're stiffening up about? It's a wild cactus. We're just airing down to like 23 or so. Excuse me.
Thoughts, Danny? Hi. We're just airing down. About to go on the rougher part of the trail, so we're airing down the tires to about 22 and a half.
Escaping zombies. Climb, baby, climb. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Drop her down in the first gear. This isn't like a hard trail. It's not supposed to be like a hard trail. Moab, we're doing Dome Plateau, which I think is level 4 or 5. I don't know. Which, I mean, we're handling everything on this fine, but I feel like the next step above this has got to be pretty crazy. So I don't know. Yeah. Never done this before. It's going pretty well.
Firmly on 10 and 2.
Yeah, I know I'm 10 and 2 for sure. I was one-handed it before, but I'm on 10 and 2. We used our truck. We're doing truck things.
Yeah.
One moment, these navigation systems back online.
10-4. I fired it again.
Alright, whatever. Just guide me, let's give it a shot.
Yeah, I'll guide you through the line. Alright, so yeah, to the right. Driver.
Driver.
More driver. Driver. Driver.
I'm whacking this fucking tree.
I'm saying driver, you're going passenger.
I gotta back up. I'm on this tree. Look at my mirror.
Yeah, so driver.
Oh,
There you go. Straight. Okay, keep it coming slow. A little bit passenger. Keep going slow. Yep, doing good. Straight.
thoughts, Ben?
It wasn't too bad. Definitely easier with the spotter. It's doable.
Nice.
All right, now it's Noah's turn.
Yep. Ben was the guinea pig as always, so I think we'll should be fine. Ben will just direct me pretty much through the same line that I just took him through. So.
Flight passenger.
Passenger.
Driver.
I'm totally relying on
Driver.
what he's saying because I can't.
Yep,
See,
straight.
I can't see anything in front of me.
Driver.
Driver.
Passenger. Passenger. Straight. Passenger. Passenger hard. There you go. You're through.
Driver. Yeah, hard driver.
Yeah, that wasn't bad.
Thoughts, Noah?
Not too bad. I couldn't see anything in front of me, so I was totally relying off of what he was telling me to do. But yeah, he did a good job, and we made it through, no problem.
No problem.
So hopefully, I don't know what's up next. There might be a harder one next. I don't know. This part's crazy too. I'm in 4 low. I know the camera doesn't do it justice, but this is like pretty wicked. That's really deep. You can't really tell, but there's a mine shaft around here.
Noah is, in fact, pulling out the 4 low for
I'm
this.
pulling out before about 2 miles an hour. 1 mile an hour now. Well, you guys just missed a pretty gnarly part. It was like so gnarly that it's like Bella didn't want to film.
It was pretty treacherous. In case you can't tell, it is cliff on this side, wall on this side.
We made it down. Pretty crazy. This is nothing now.
This is light work.
It's just bumpy, but. Alright, so we made it through that section of the trail. We're on the road now. Quick little convoy on over to the next part of the trail. There's a really big rock over there. This is very steep. We are at, let's see, probably about a 20 degree right here. That's what, according to my pitch and roll monitor. Still climbing.
Still climbing.
There's the Rockies over there. I don't know where we are.
Not a clue.
I think we're getting closer. It's another pretty gnarly section. It's just like massive rocks. We're just climbing over them. We're on top of like a plateau. I don't know where we are.
Fucking Bronco.
We're on Earth somewhere. Sand! Sand! soft sand. Can't beat that view. That's so insane. There's a massive cliff to our left, by the way, also.
Massive.
If we go off to the left, we're dead. Wow. It's beautiful. We're in like a pine tree forest now. Back to me, honey. We're in like a pine tree forest now. Very pretty. So yeah, we're gonna try and find a spot. There's a lake up here.
We can find a fucking site.
10-4.
Bill Ponderosa.
It's 6:45 right now, so we got a couple hours until sunset. Find a nice spot, set up camp, set up the hammock, have some beers, make some dinner. Yeah.
Surface trying to break through. Deciphering the codes anew. I need a compass, draw me a map. I'm on the top, I can't get back.
Alright guys, we got to the spot. Got the hammock set up. Ben and Danny are over there. Got a nice lake view. Got some quesadillas cooking. Got Bella eating a quesadilla. Got the tents all set up. There's my tent. Ben's tent. Nice spot. Gonna be a good night. Check out that bite. We got strip steak that I just cooked up, cheese, hot sauce. How'd you sleep?
My shoulders are burned.
Your shoulders are burned.
It was a little cold.
It was a little cold last night. We forgot the wool blanket, I think, but Ben and Danny are packing up.
Yeah.
How'd you guys sleep?
Best I've slept so far this trip.
Nice. I'm trying to get both of you in the frame.
It got a little chilly around 3 a.m. because I didn't take into account that we're like 8,000 feet up in the Colorado mountains.
Yeah.
As compared to like, what, 5,000 feet last night? Yeah. So the elevation made things a little colder. It probably got down, I'd say, like high 30s.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, probably high 30s, low 40s last night. But it's warming up now, and it's really pretty. And Buckeye Reservoir is a pretty cool place. I'd definitely come back.
We're on the road. It is 8:30, a little later than we wanted to leave, but we're off to Moab now. Probably get there in an hour and a half, 2 hours, something like that. And then we're gonna go to Corona Arch, and then this cool cliff jumping spot where we'll clean off because we haven't had showers in 2 days now. So, well, yeah, we just got to finish up the rim rocker, and that'll take us right to Moab. so we're all done with the rim rocker. And we're just airing up now, getting back on the road, and then it's like a short drive into Moab. So we're gonna get aired back up and ready for the pavement. Airing back up to 35, probably. Then you turn it off. Mine doesn't work.
Oh.
It's rocks.
It's rocks. What are you thinking, baby?
It's rocks.
Huh. Who'd have thought?
We're approaching Moab.
Yes.
Currently approaching Moab, and it's red.
Very red.
And I think it's just gonna keep getting more red.
I think so too, baby. Good job.
Good to go.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. So we're in Moab finally after 1,950 miles, and we're headed to the Corona Arch Trail right now, which will be a nice hike. And then after that, we're gonna go to this little cliff jumping spot, kind of cool off and clean up because we haven't showered in 2 or 3 days now. So yeah, very pretty here